That's a mistake.
That's a big mistake.
And that's why I saved it for last. Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today we're talking all about 10 common couponing mistakes that new couponers make. So you've learned how to coupon, you're super excited, you head out to the store and you start making these mistakes. Let me walk you through 10 common mistakes that you can avoid. I don't want you to do these. I have done some of these when I was a new couponer over 10 years ago, but I don't want you to do that. You don't have to do that because I've learned for you. The first thing is buying useless items just because they were a good deal. Remember, if you and your family cannot use them, just pass on that item. But if you must, if you just have to pick them up, grab the items and donate them to charity. The second big mistake is not paying attention to the fine detail on the coupon. So in the fine print, it'll tell you everything that you need to know on what you can and cannot use the coupon for. Some coupons, they don't have any restrictions really listed on the coupon, and that's great. But most of them have some type of restriction. So you want to make sure that you are reading the fine print on the coupon and understanding the size that you can use it on, the quantity, so on and so forth, so that you make sure that when you get to the register, your coupon will actually scan. The third mistake is starting too big and trying to do everything big right out of the gate. What that is going to lead to is just you getting confused and overwhelmed and making mistakes. If you want to learn more about this mistake and what you should do instead, check out this video where I include 6 tips for coupon newbies and tell you exactly what you should be doing. The fourth mistake is trying to get every single deal every single week. You just can't do it. And sometimes the deals are not even worth going out and picking up. And if you miss a deal, it's okay, girl. It's okay. I promise you, the deal will come back around. The sales are cyclical and the coupons are cyclical. So it will come back around. So if you miss something one week, it's okay. You don't need to go out and get every single deal every single week. The fifth mistake is buying unhealthy items just because they are free or a moneymaker. We all know what happens when we buy unhealthy items and we bring them into our homes. We eat them. You're going to eat them, you're going to gain weight, and that is not the goal. The goal of couponing and saving money is not to then gain weight, okay? So keep those unhealthy items out of your house. You don't need to pick them up just because they're free. The sixth mistake is not taking all of your coupons with you to the store. So sometimes as a newbie, you're at home and you're planning everything out. You've clipped your coupons, you've kind of organized them, and you know what you need to take, and you just take those with you. Take everything with you. You want to take everything with you because you may run across some deals that are on clearance, and you want to have your corresponding coupon with you. You don't want to have to go home and come back and then it's gone. So you want to seize the opportunity. If you take all your coupons with you, if you run across a great clearance item that you have a coupon for, you are then able to pick it up while you're at that store. The seventh mistake is not knowing the coupon policy. You have to know the coupon policy for the stores that you are shopping at. Why? Because if your coupon doesn't scan, the cashier will just tell you, it's not good. I can't take it. Well, that's not necessarily correct. The coupon may be for the correct item, but it's just not in their system. In that case, they would have to manually put it in. If you don't know their coupon policy, you're not going to be able to make your case. If you want a free copy of my coupon policy guide, which is just a guide that houses the coupon policies for the most commonly shopped stores, all in one document, you can print it off and take it with you and have it with the rest of your coupon items every time that you go to the store in case you run into any issues. I will leave the link for the coupon policy guide in the description box below, so please be sure to check that out. The eighth mistake that new couponers make is using the coupons on the larger sized items. So coupons usually have a size limitation. So in order to get the most bang for your buck, you want to use the coupon on the smallest size item that meets the restriction. So what I mean by that is if you have a $2 coupon for some type of lotion and the minimum ounces that you must purchase is 12 ounces. And then on the shelf you see a lotion for 12 ounces and then you also see a 24 ounce lotion. Get the 12-ounce lotion because the coupon will still be of value. So if it's a $2 coupon, you get $2 off that 12-ounce price as opposed to only getting $2 off the 24-ounce price. So always go with the smallest or the lowest quantity item because it's cheapest, and then use your coupon on that item. The 9th mistake is not using rebate apps. There's more money to be saved, you guys. So couponing does not end at checkout in the store. There's actually more money to be saved. You'll want to download the apps where you can just take your receipt from your recent purchase, upload it into the app, and get points that you can then redeem for different items or gift cards at a later time. So be sure that even though you use a coupon on those items, you can then still receive that offer in the rebate app. I'll leave some of my favorite rebate apps in the description box below if you want to sign up and use those. You can use these apps on items that you coupon for as well as items that you didn't coupon for, but there's an offer in the app. So make sure that you're checking out everything. And the 10th mistake is not watching the register at checkout. Okay, this will get you. So you've done all the hard work of preparing for your couponing haul. You went to the store, you've done your shopping, and then you get to the register, you put everything on the belt, and you just let the cashier have at it while you're not paying attention. That's a mistake.
That's a big mistake.
And that's why I saved it for last. You want to make sure that all of your items are ringing up the correct price, and then you want to continue to watch the register as they scan your coupons to make sure that your coupons are scanning. You must make sure that they're scanning, because sometimes a register will make a noise that will sound like the coupon did take. However, you don't see that amount come off of your total. So you want to make sure that as they are scanning the coupons, your total is slowly coming down. Okay, so make sure you're watching the register. I cannot stress this enough, because there's nothing worse than completing your transaction. You get home and you take a look at your receipt, and all of a sudden you realize that the items didn't ring up at the right price or certain coupons didn't come off. Then you have to go back to the store to try to rectify that, or you just throw your hands up and then you end up spending more money than you intended. So those are the 10 things as a new couponer that I would tell you to avoid making these mistakes. If you want to see 6 tips that I do have for new couponers, make sure you check out that video and you can learn some things that you should do, since we talked about things today that you shouldn't do. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future uploads from me. I upload videos every single week, and they all have to do with saving you money in some fashion. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy saving!